Hey guys, it's Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com. Fourth sketchbook of the day. Lindsay.
Woo!
Lindsay, when did you start watching sketchbook videos?
Probably in middle school, which was like 5 years ago.
No, that was more than 5 years ago. And where are you from?
I'm from North Carolina.
Awesome, awesome. And what's your dream job?
In-betweener or maybe comic book artist.
Okay, that works. Now, you have an amazing little sketchbook here, and I really appreciate you sharing it. And you're coming full circle from watching sketchbook videos on YouTube to having your sketchbook filmed.
Yeah, it's wild.
So, okay, slow down for a second. Now,
Okay.
you're using watercolor.
Yeah.
And what's the page on your right done in?
This is done in Photoshop.
Okay, so you're...
Or on Procreate on the iPad, sorry.
Oh, love it. You
Yeah.
like working on the iPad?
I do, yeah. This is part of my friend's birthday present.
Wow. And did you play softball or baseball?
I did, but one of my favorite characters plays baseball, and so I wanted to draw him, and so I wanted to like study up on baseball posture.
Okay, they're gorgeous drawings. Those drawings on the bottom in pencil, mechanical pencil?
Yes.
What size?
0.5.
Okay, it looks so much smaller. It's really tiny. Good job.
This is me and Emily as Hamilton the musical characters.
Nice. I like your attention to detail. There's a lot going on in those drawings.
Thanks.
Beautiful.
I don't like this one.
Well,
his hair is too bright.
No, it works. I've seen guys with hair like that, and I'm envious. I love red hair. Wow, I love the opposing postures of that character. Oh
yeah,
my God.
It's the same one. He's from Naruto.
So cool.
This is an Elmo that I was practicing for your Elmo book.
Yeah, that little surprise today. Were you the ringleader?
There were many of us that were working on it.
Okay.
This is part of a video I did, and this is an illustration I'm working on, and I covered up blind contours because they're ugly.
Okay. I'm happy that you're doing the blind contours.
Yeah.
Gorgeous stuff. I love that. Oh, wait, rotate that.
I did this in class.
Was that today?
No.
Because it looked like one of the poses today. Yeah,
no,
you've gotten so much better with your figure drawings. It's not even funny.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, you've gotten so much better. It's out of control, the amount of improvement.
Thanks.
That's really nice. And I very much appreciate that you're one of the sole survivors of tone.
Yeah.
And rendering the shadow side. I really love you for that.
Tone is really hard for me, but I try to work on it.
No, it's looking good.
This is a collab between me and Emily. She drew this and I drew this on top of it.
Excellent.
It's our two characters.
Excellent.
And this is a lineup for one of my, for our story pitch class.
This is a tiny sketchbook. I'd say 6x9, 5x9.
Probably, I don't know.
When did you do this one?
It was probably a couple months ago, but I sat in the window of a Starbucks and just drew the outside. And this is the same scene, I just focused in on the Walgreens back here.
Do you like do these on Saturday when you're off from school?
Oh yeah, and on Wednesdays, we're off on Wednesdays. So yeah, I just go and draw.
Your workstation?
Yeah, I drew my desk.
You got a nice setup?
Yeah, I've got like TV, computer, iPad, phone, so many screens.
Yeah, I need a TV over my computer. Or then again, I don't. I'd never leave my office.
Yeah, that's fair.
Excellent. Beautiful page.
Thanks.
So that's tape that you tape on.
Yeah, it's washi tape.
It's gorgeous. I like that touch.
Yeah. This one I was covering up a bad scenery drawing. So.
Well, yeah. It's nice to see these big pieces as well.
Yeah, thanks.
Excellent.
We had to do an animal walk cycle, and so I was studying on how to draw dogs.
So that's done in Photoshop.
That was done on my iPad on Procreate.
Wow, you did that on Procreate.
Yeah,
That looks so illustrative. And then the watercolor version.
Yeah, this was the preliminary sketch, and I took it in and did that.
Excellent job. Was that in class?
This? Yeah. I'm pretty sure this was Dimitri.
Okay.
This,
Oh my god, that is so much fun.
Emily tried to do my style, and then I drew my style because she was like, I'm having trouble.
When did you do the blue drawings?
I think that was the most recent portrait day when she did the gestures.
Okay. Wow, those came out. I'm telling you, you have improved so much. It's not even funny.
Thank you.
Wow.
And yeah, see, this is the portraits that we did that day. That one turned out bad.
That's a tough view. I think he was in the shadow.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I like this one.
So you watercolored after the class?
I do, yes.
Yeah. I'm just putting two and two together now.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Thanks. And then this is when they were the two models.
Yeah, that's so hard to do.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I have trouble with character interaction personally. And I liked putting little speech bubbles like they were having a conversation.
Some of the models are so good at doing that.
Yeah. This is just, we were goofing around at lunch one day.
The blue is awesome.
Thanks.
Damn.
And again, practicing for Elmo. And this is Emily's.
Very cool. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. And even the Zorn or no, that was Charles Dana Gibson.
Yeah. And this is one of the walk cycles. I tried.
Yeah, it's hard in a little sketchbook, but you did. It's working.
I think these last three turned out the best.
Yes. And this character, you draw this character a lot. This is your character?
Yes. Well, these are two separate characters. This is my Dungeons and Dragons character, and this is my character Win.
The watercolor is nice.
Thanks.
Very different.
My grandma really liked this page. She was like, ooh, 50s. And then I was watching a lot of the Food Network and Chopped, so I drew one of my characters on Chopped. This is one of our classrooms.
Great job. Nice pencil work.
Thanks. This is a sad, sad page. This is a character from Dragon Ball, the anime, and my OC, or my character, yeah. And I was trying to experiment with hatching.
Cool.
I think this was in class.
Oh, I think that was Maria.
Yeah?
She was a psycho.
And then this was in class. I think it was the same day. I think this was like morning and this was afternoon.
Yeah.
This is when we went to the botanical garden. I think Joey mentioned that.
Okay.
This is also when we went to the botanical garden. Jean dropped her phone in the pond we were sitting by.
Yes,
directly
I got it on the
after
sketchbook
this.
video.
Yeah.
Did she ruin it?
I don't know. I think she got it back. But it took like 20 minutes to fish it out of the pond. This was.
Do you like blue?
I do.
Yeah.
Blue and purple are my favorite favorite colors.
Interesting. I used to love blue, and now I love reds.
I did this comic tonight and today, and I drew a lot of our classmates. Oh, I wonder how that got there.
All right, that's good for me. Thank you so much. I'll
No
post that in
problem.
the description. Lindsay,
it.
thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook. I really appreciate it. And you have a good summer.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.